Just like with Reason, sampling in Kontakt can be a breeze. Open up Kontakt and navigate to the Files menu and select New Instrument to create a blank new sampled instrument. Then, you can click on the wrench tool and open up the mapping editor. Once the mapping editor is showing, you can drag in your wave samples and map them to keys accordingly. Keep in mind that you can stretch any one wave across multiple keys and it will pitch shift the sample to reflect the note being triggered. You can also import multiple wave files and assign them to specific keys as well. Once they're mapped out, you can use a MIDI keyboard or the keyboard on screen to trigger the samples and test them out.